Hi, it's Michael from silversurfertravels.com, and today, guess where we're at? We're at Carnaby Street in London.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Apparently today there's some kind of I don't know whether it's a market or a some kind of festival at Carnaby Street. So we're just going to have a look around and see what there is. I remember coming down here last year at Christmas, and it was pretty busy with all the Christmas decorations and whatnot. This street was actually rampant. All the side streets as well, with your hamburger joints down there. That was pretty cool. I think somewhere down there to the left, there's I think there's some music playing today. So let's go and have a look and see what there is. Okay, we got your shops, your trainer shops, Adidas, Nike, your normal stuff, and what have we got here? Work, Monkey. What's that supposed to be? Is that supposed to be some workwear or what? I don't think so. I think it's probably just a normal clothes shop. Monkey.com. Okay. There is supposed to be some kind of I think they called it the Carnaby Street Festival, or was it the Carnaby Street Market, something like that. And apparently it's supposed to have been going on until tomorrow, I think tomorrow's the last day. It's not that busy today. I mean, today's a Thursday, so that could be one reason. Okay, you've got your Birkenstocks. If you're looking for expensive sandals, expensive flip-flops, etc., there's a place to go. Let's have a look and see what they've got in there. Yeah, guys, don't wear these with socks, particularly white socks. Those ones aren't so bad. I don't mean those ones. I do not mean those ones there. I actually mean those ones there. Yeah, they're not too bad. Anyway, let's see what we've got around. Let's see what we've got going on. We have your sweatshop. I mean, back in the day, that used to be pretty big. I don't really think it's. I mean, it was never like Rolex or anything like that, but it was pretty popular. You don't really get that many of them today. Anyway, let's see what we've got down here. Okay, so this is what we're talking about. I think that's it. So it's supposed to be the Carnaby Summer Festival. Anyway, let's go and see what they got down here. I think a band is supposed to be playing here. I don't know whether it's supposed to be or it is not. But let's have a look.
Hi, this is Michael from silversurfertraveler.com. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button and click the notification bell so that you'll get information on when I record a new video.
I wonder what kind of music they're playing today. But we shall see. I'll come back here maybe a little bit later when the band's back, when they're off their drinks break. What is this shop? Something wing shoes. Red wing shoe company? These look like handmade shoes. You just look at these. They definitely look like handmade hand-stitched shoes. Okay. There you go. Red Wing Shoes, established in 1905. If you have a look at those ones in the back, they are definitely, you can tell the quality from the actual stitching. They're definitely handmade shoes. I bet they set you back a bob or two. Anyway, Red Wing Shoes. What have we here? Get out there. Okay, just some food places, cocktails, happy hour. We've got the Nana Pastrama, American classic. Are we talking about pasta, burgers, or well, it looks like burgers actually. Hot pastrami and cold beer. Lobster. I think they had one of these down in near London Bridge, Borough Market, just outside Borough Market. Yeah, I think it was pasta. Just outside Borough Market, I remember they had a big a restaurant where you could get lobsters for two, a meal with a lobster platter for two for about 120 quid. Now this looks like my kind of place. Pie and mash, meat pies. I've been down here before and I've never really noticed this. Mother's Mash. Okay. I think it's definitely a place that I'll come back to. Mother's Mash. We have tapas bar. Your obligatory tapas bar in London. Okay. Shall we take a left or shall we take a right? Down there, that's where Liberties is. Just there. You can actually see it from here. Let's take a look and see what we've got here. Dirty Bones. What do you think that is, people? Dirty Bones, it sounds like it would be like a ribs place or something like that. Okay, it's burgers. Burgers, cocktails, brunch. I was just about to say, unfortunately it looks shut, but it says open as usual, entrance via Kingley Court, which is just around there. So Dirty Bones is open. Kingly Court. That's Kingly Court. So if I wanted to go into Dirty Buns, I would just go through Kingly Court, which is just there. Alright. Okay, let's just go down to the end of this road and we'll chuck a left and do another left and get back onto Carnaby Street from the other end. If you don't know where we are, to the right there is Regent Street. Behind me is just going up to Oxford Street, Oxford Street Tube Station, Argyle Street. So we're going to take a left and another left, but we are in. That's where we are. Okay. So if we just do a left back down Carnaby Street and see whether these guys are back in. Walking through the heart of London. Carnaby Street, for those who don't know, used to be the centre of fashion in the 60s. I mean, this is where all the it people used to come. Like Twiggy, I'm sure the Beatles came down here, you know, the Rolling Stones would be down here, all those, you know, in the 60s, this was the place to go for your gear. The swinging 60s, as they say, psychedelic, flares, all that kind of stuff, it'll be here that you get it. It's still got some funky looking shops, but they tend to be, I'd probably say, you know, not really like they used to be anyway. I mean, stuff like this you'd really be able to get it anywhere, but I guess it's really more just the name of the street where it's at now. I mean, Timberland, you know, Timberland's everywhere. I remember when I had a pair of Timberlands and I took my son football training wearing those Timberlands, and at the time they used to train in pairs, and my son didn't have someone to train with, so the coach said, "Oh, Dad, why don't you train with him?" Okay, I said, "Yeah, sure, why not?" Like an idiot, I started training and I was wearing my Timberlands, and when I had to sprint I pulled my hamstring, and it's a day that I always remember as my Timberland day. Anyway, that was then. This is now. Now, I don't wear Timberlands. I wear the old New Balance, like trainers and stuff like that. North Face. Everybody knows North Face. I don't have any North Face gear. Why? People say. I just don't. Never have. Are those North Face trainers? North Face tops? It's just, yeah, it's not bad gear. Pretty expensive, but I guess it's not that bad. Levi's. They used to be really big back in the day. I'd say Levi's were the biggest jeans brand in the 70s, maybe through to the 80s. Levi's and Wranglers. Now you don't really get that many people wearing them. I think probably a pair of Levi's jeans probably set you back, I don't know, 60, 70 quid, something like that. But back in the day they used to be the jeans to have. They used to, I think they were like Levi's 501s, I think they were. Anyway, that was then, and this is now. And we have someone walking. Dr. Martens. Again, they've changed over the years, because in the like 70s and 80s they used to be the shoes that skinheads would wear. If you wore Dr. Martens, you tended to be more of a skinhead. But now it's more everybody wears them. I mean, you see loads and loads of young women wearing it. Even not even young women. You see loads and loads of women wearing them. I mean, guys wear them. Just all kinds. So much so that I even bought a pair. Unfortunately, they didn't. They were just too stiff for me. But they are good boots, really good boots. So, if you ever want to buy a pair of good boots, one at Dr. Martens. Oh, here's another one. Vans. It's what the hip youth wear. Vans. Yeah, I wonder when they started, because I've only kind of noticed them in the last, I would say probably the last 10 years. I don't know if anybody knows when they started, or when Vans came to the UK. But yeah, they're more the hip young things, the skateboard guys and girls tend to wear Vans. Oh, it's funny, just over there, just there is Office, and they're a shoe shop, and it's funny because that's where I actually bought my Dr. Martens, in Office. They do sell Dr. Martens, they sell loads of other brands. Yeah, not a bad shoe shop at all. You know, all kinds of different shoes, all kinds of different trainers. Look at the bottom there, right down there, Dr. Martens. See? So yeah, they got your Nikes, they got your Air just there, Converse. So yeah, not a bad shop for shoes, and not that expensive, to be honest with you. Oh, look at these things, look at these pieces. Do you remember Shirley Bassey singing, "These boots are made for walking"? That kind of reminds me of that. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Okay, this is where the band's supposed to be. Are they back or are they not? Oh, they seem to be back. Just in time. Perfect timing. Let's see what they got for us. Come on, sound check, sound check. Check one, check one. Oh, that guy looks like Teddy Pendergrass, the guy drinking there.
really hot on here. I feel like I need to take my clothes off. Damn. How you feeling out there? You guys having a good time? I feel like you guys can be a lot louder than that. Are you guys having a good time? So hot in here. Hot here. You guys mind if I strip? I was like, good gracious, acid potations, flirtation, trying to show patience. Waiting for the right time to shoot my steam. Waiting for the right time to find it. I'm teasing, please believe it. Me and the rest of my healing. Starting up to the top of the fourth season. Penthouse, rooftop, birds I'm feeding. No deceiving, nothing up my sleeving. No teasing, cause I need you to get out my way. Cause I feel like busting loose and I feel like touching you. Can't nobody stop the juice. So baby, tell me what's the use. I said, it's getting hot in here. So take off, you said. It's getting hot in here. So take off all your clothes. Say, everyone put one hand up like this. Everyone put one hand up like this. I want to see everyone holding one hand up like this. From the back to the right. You ready? Here we go. Bounce, 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 bounce. Someone else say, who's that girl? Say it. Who's that girl? La, 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 la. Who's that girl? Here we go. Let's go. You say, hey. Oh, I'm trying to let it go. Trying to keep my eyes closed. Trying to keep it just like before. Touch when everything on sheet. Don't want to tell you what it is. The way it felt so serious. Got me feeling just so bad. I wanna set it up. So is this one thing? Is this one thing? Is this one thing that taught me? Is this one thing? Is this one thing that I was up? Is this ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the other 12s. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Janae on the sax, please.
Okay, people. That was yeah, people. That was bad actually. Nice few minutes of music. Say goodbye once again. We are about to check out and say goodbye to the Carnaby Street Summer Festival.